Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your WhatsApp number. Before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So what you have to do is for you to go over to the setting. You can go over to the setting area and go over to accounts. Then over to accounts, you're going to see change number. You're going to see it over here. Let me go over to change number. This change phone number, you said use change phone number to migrate your account info group and setting from your current phone number to a new phone number. You can't undo this change. To proceed, confirm that your new phone number can receive SMS or calls and tap next to verify that number. So let me go over to next. And what you have to do is for you to input the old number. Let me do that right away. So over here, going to put in your country, yeah, and you have to put in your new number. So let me go and type in my new number, and let me go over to next. You said you're about to change your number from the old one to the new one. Your group will be automatically notified. You can also notify your contact about your new number. So if you want your contact, people in your contact to know that you've changed your number, you just have to go over to click, and let me go over to contact. I'm going to put it all my contacts here. Or you can go over to customize here. You're going to choose who you want them to know. You can choose who you want them to see your new numbers. So when you just select them, just go over to done. You can customize it. When you're done with that, you can go over to done, and it's connecting. They're asking me if this is my current number, so let me go over to yes. So they're sending me code on my message, which is the SMS. So let me go over to get it. So this is it, and I've copied it. So how you'll be able to know if your number has changed, if your WhatsApp number has changed from the old one to the new one, you have to go over to your profile area and over to add the phone number. You're going to see it that has changed, and guys, this is how you'll be able to change your WhatsApp number from the old one to the new one. So it's very simple. And guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.